Assalamualaikum, my dear student. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online homeschooling of National Ideal English Version School. I am Ruksana Yasmin, the assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class of the students of class junior 1, and today's our topic is arranging numbers and shapes. At first we start from the topic arranging numbers. Now we arrange the numbers. At first we arrange the numbers from smaller to greater. My dear students, see, there are 5 numbers here. Let us see what are the numbers. The numbers are 215, 300, 185, 88 and 250. In the previous class, we have learned the place value of any number. Let us see, if 215 is a number, then the place value of the number is the digit of 5 is 1's place, and here 1 is in 10's place and 2 is in 100 place. Now for arranging the numbers from smaller to greater, we have to count the digits of each number. Now at the first number, here the number is 215. Now we have to count the digit of the number. How many digits are here? 1, 2 and 3. So the digits are 3. Now the next number. Here the number is 300. And how many digits are here? 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, the digits of 185 is 3, and the next one, the digit of 88 is 1 and 2. So the number of digits of 88 is 2. And the last one, 250. The number of digits are 1, 2 and 3. My dear students, see, all the numbers have 3 digits except the number 88. The number 88 has 2 digits. The number which has less digits, that number is smaller than others. So the number 88 is the smallest number among these 5 numbers. So we have to cut the number 88 and write here 88. Now we have left how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. Among these 4 numbers, all the numbers have same digits and all the numbers have 3 digits. So we cannot decide which number is greater here. So we have to apply another technique here. Now let observe the digit in 100 place. The digits in 100 place is here 2, and the next number 300. The digit in 100 place is 3. The next number, the digits in 100 place is 1, and the last number, the digits in 100 place is 2. Now see, the digits are 2, 3, 1 and 2. Among these 4 numbers, which one is smaller? 2, 3, 1, 2. Here is 1 is smallest than the other numbers. So the number 185 is the smallest number among the 4 numbers. So we have to cut 185 and write here 185. Now how many numbers are left? 1, 2 and 3. 3 numbers are left. Among these 3 numbers, the numbers here, the 100 digits are 2. And the here 100 digit is 3, here 100 digit is 2. So this number means 200, this number means 300 and this number means 200. See, there are 200's number 2. And other is 300. So we have to compare the numbers 215 and 250. The digit of the 100 place, both the numbers are same. Here the digit in 100 place is 2, here the digit in 100 place is 2. So both the numbers are same. So we cannot decide which number is smallest. So we have to go in the tens place. Now the digit in tens place is 1 and the digit in tens place is 5. So my dear students, see which number is smaller, 1 or 5? 1 is smaller. So the number 215 is smaller than 250. So we have to cut the number 215 and write here 215. Now we have only two numbers are left. The numbers are 300 and the numbers are here 200. So 200 is smaller than the 300. So we have to cut the number 250 and write here 250. And we have only one number left. One number is left. So we have to write the last number here. Now we have to go the next method, arranging the numbers greater to smaller. This is the alternative method of arranging the numbers smaller to greater. We use the same techniques here. At first we have to count the digits of the number. The digits of the number 113 is 3. Here the number 246 is 3 and the number digits in 157 is 3 and the number digits in the number 300 is 3 and here 3. The digits of all the numbers are same, so we cannot decide which number is greater. So we have to apply the next technique. Now observe the digits in 100 place. In 100 place, the number in 113, the 100 place number is 1 and the digits in 246 is 2 and the digits in 157 is 1 and the digits in 300 is 3 and the digits in 265 is 2. Now see which one is greater, 1, 2, 1, 3 or 2. Here the number 3 is greater. So the number 300 is greater than the others number. So we have to cut the number 300 and write here 300. Now how many numbers are left? 4 numbers are left. Among these 4 numbers, the digits in 100 place are 1, 2, 1, 2. So which one is greater? The number 246 and 265. So we have to compare between the numbers 246 and the number 265. Now let us compare 246 and 265. The digit in the 100 place here is 2 and here is also 2. So we cannot decide which number is greater. So we have to go to the tens place. Now in tens place, the digits here is 4 and here 6. So which one is greater, 4 or 6? We can see 6 is greater than 4. So the number 265 is greater than the number 246. So we have to cut the number 265 and write here 265. Now we have 3 numbers. Among these numbers, the digits in 100 place are 1, 2 and 1. So the numbers are 100, 200 and 100. So the number 200 is greater than the other numbers. So we have to cut the number 246 and write here 246. We have now only 2 numbers. The numbers are 113 and 157. Between these numbers, both the digits in hundreds place are same. So we have to compare the numbers 113 and the numbers 157. See, the digits in hundreds place, here 1 and here 1. So the numbers are same. So we cannot take any decision. So we have to go to the tens place. Let's go to the tens place. Here the digits in tens place is 1 and here is 5. See, 1 is less than 5. So 5 is greater than 1. So the number 157 is greater than the number 113. So we have to cut the number 157 and write here 157. And last we have only one number is left and the number is 113. We have to write it here. My dear student, let us discuss another topic. Our topic is shapes. There are some shapes here. We will learn the name of the shapes. The name of these shapes is these shapes is circle. It is like a round. The ball of a the shape of a ball is a circle. Here the next one is triangle. A triangle has how many sides? 1, 2 and 3. A triangle has 3 sides. All of you have seen a birthday hat. A birthday hat, the shape of a birthday hat is like a triangle. The next shape is rectangle. Rectangle has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Rectangle has 4 sides, but all the sides are not equal. The opposite sides are equal here. This side and these sides are equal and these sides and these sides are equal, but not all the sides are equal. The shape of a biscuit is like a rectangle. Square. Here a square has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 and all the sides are equal. The shape of a gift box is like a square. And the last one is oval shape. The shape which the figure which has the shape like an egg is called an oval shape. The shape of an egg is like an oval. My dear students, hope you have understood all the topics. So if you have understood, so practice more and more at home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you all.